morning. So we're back out here, and I'm in the final stretch of getting the Sequoia done. Here, I'll show you the parts that I've cut out. So these are the original tail sections of that frame, and it dropped down about 3.5 inches or something like that, approximately about 3.5 inches. And this is an off-road truck. This isn't like a pavement princess. It's not just a go into town, get some groceries kind of deal. So it's being built to go wheeling, really. So I've decided that I'm gonna take those frame horns straight out the back, and it gains me about, I don't know, like about 3 inches or 4 inches. The other one came to about here. And so by tucking this up straight, it really actually adds a lot of approach angle to that back end. There's no spare tire or anything in here. Like, it used to have to hide a spare tire, but this isn't getting a spare tire. It's just there to support the cab, and that's about it, Oh, and you have to be able to pull off of it to recover. So I've got this big chunk of steel here, and this is going to be the new back of the truck, and it's going to be really basic, like just nice straight frame horns, and tucked up really neat. They'll be tucked up inside this lip here, and they'll be tucked up inside there, so it'll be great. The frame horns here are gonna take a little bit of a work, because I have to make this shape match this shape. So that's gonna take a couple strategic cuts, and I'll bend it, and I'll weld it, and it'll be stronger than ever. Definitely stronger than before I got it. That's for dang sure. So yeah, that's my plan now, is that I'm going to start rebuilding this back end. I'm down to the final bit, and I'm pretty pleased about it. Okay. So I got these calipers, and I measured up here how thick this has to be, where I want to bend this out to. So it's really not that far. So I'm just going to throw a little heat on it, and then a quick bend. That is one dirty tip. That's terrible. This heat will just help coax it along. It'll bend like butter. Okay. Take this guy. Bend them up. Not too much. Just a hair more. Just one more little squeak. That's perfect. Okay, now I gotta do the same thing for the other one. I'm gonna do them this one and the other one the exact same, and then I'm going to do the next bend the exact same, and whatever I have to do here to make it all look right, I'll figure that out after. I measured the upper, first I did the width, and now I'm doing the height, and so I used my caliper. Now I'm going to just do the exact same thing I just did, and make it minty. Bend that up. And then more. Oh. Harder. Goes from real easy to real hard real fast. Oh, I gotta go a bit more. I gotta put a bit more heat in that. I was fooling around holding that thing and I shouldn't have. There it goes. Oh, that's so close. I can live with that. I can live with that. One more time. And then fill in the blanks. Watching the torch is almost mesmerizing. I just love it. Oh, she's getting that nice cherry orange now. Oh, I went a bit too much. I'll put that in a vise and I'll just squeeze it. Oh no, I got a whacker. I got a whacker here. Oh, that's gonna be alright. Oh, I got that good and hot. There it is. Okay, there's my two frame sections for the back. I just got to weld in the little missing bits and turn it back into a square. And then we'll weld her up, weld her in. Woohoo! Woohoo! We're winning. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hello there. Well, we're in the last day. Last day, I made it. The Sequoia is coming to an end, and I'm just doing the final details. So I got the back frame section in, and I had to build new cab mounts. The old ones were no good. So I made new cab mounts, and then this back section of frame, because there is no spare tire going in here anymore, I was able to raise it up about 4.5 inches. So it gives a lot more clearance on the back end. But everything worked out really good. Like the transition worked out nice. Both sides went really good. Still needs paint, but it worked out really good. Got the brake lines in. Had to make a new gas tank strap. This guy up here was all rotten, so I made a new one. Just a piece of metal, piece of rubber belt underneath of it. That worked out good. And I'm just about to do the put the tires back on. And I thought I would just point this out. A lot of people don't clean these flange faces up very good. So on these tires, really, when you do a tire change of any kind, all of this stuff on there should come off. Like, I just use one of these drills with a little sanding pad on it. But it's amazing how much stuff comes off. See, that stuff's really thick. There's no way that you're mating flange faces. There's no way that your mating flange faces are gonna be good like that. They gotta be nice and clean. Anytime you put a flange face to a flange face, it has to be nice and clean. So I'm gonna just sand all these out. I'm gonna clean them up real nice so they're clean bright metal, and then put the tires on, lower it down. I still have to put the tank guard in, but it goes right where the hoist is, so it has to come down onto the ground. And if I'm gonna lower it, I'm gonna put the tires on at the same time because it's just one more thing out of the way. Yeah, so close. I'm really stoked. So I'm gonna clean up these flange faces. Then I'm gonna put the tires on, and then I'll be back. Woohoo! We got her done. Just about to fire it up, and then get it out of here. Deadly! Oh, I'm so pleased. That was a big job. Yeah, it was a big job. So stoked to have it be done and be leaving. One more in the books. One more in the books. Another one bites the dust, and another one bites, and another one bites, another one bites the dust. He's gonna put a new bumper on this thing. The next deal will be custom bumpers. Not today, not today. Woohoo!